excel sa ating sa mga local athletes?
Actually, maganda ang competition ngayon sa throwing, especially in discus throw, shot put. We have from UAP and NCA, Ateneo specifically, at saka itong UP. And we have also from other school like Perpetual, I think, NCA. Ganun din sa Prisa, yung mga naglaro. Sana makalaro sila kung ano. Kasi maganda rin yung mga performances nila doon eh.
Nandun po kayo sa Tugigaraw?
Actually wala, pero
pinamonitor yung results?
ang social media, medyo ko na eh.
Oo, tama.
Yeah. So, nagpo-post sila. So, magaganda naman ang mga resulta nila doon.
Okay. So, last question before we give way to our colleagues. This is also part of the qualification process for the Southeast Asian Games. Coaches, Dari and coaches.
Opo. Isa po ito sa mga qualification criteria natin. Isa itong malaki itong national championship. Kasi category B po ito, considered doon sa leveling ng World Athletics. So may punto sila sa placing, at the same time may punto sila doon sa performance, distance, time, or height. Kaya mahalaga po ito.
Thank you, sir.
Let's not forget na this is also for under 18. So napaka-malaking bagay ko sa under 18. Baka aside from the open division for the national team, for the aspiring national athletes, yung under 18. So we're trying to really promote ng championship for the under 18 athletes kasi we're also using this competition as a qualifying tournament or qualifying event for the under 18 in Bahrain. So this is gonna be
Asian Youth Games.
yes, very good event for them para mag-qualify. That's why we're also trying to promote this championship for the under 18 athletes. So baka malimutan lang natin na, may under 18 pala. Big event din to for them. This is a national event for the under 18.
In fact, meron kayo ngayon under 18 sa Al-Qatif, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Beginning tomorrow.
As of speaking right now, they are there. May mga few young athletes tayo who are competing the Asian under 18. So pagbalik nila, magko-compete na naman sila for the national championship para mag-qualify doon sa another event for the under 18.
Good morning, gentlemen. Parang wala yata yung Thailand sa kasali dito sa National Open na obviously yung Thailand is training secretly sa US and Europe. Tayo, mag-start pa lang tayo ng National Open. Paano natin i-assess ngayon, coaches, yung chances natin sa SEA Games kung yung mga athletes ng Thailand is doing their training camps na, pero tayo we're still hoping na makahanap pa tayo sa National Open.
Okay. Tayo naman, meron tayong World Athletics. Ibig sabihin, yung mga performances ng ibang country, ating mamonitor din yun. So more or less, alam natin kung ano standing natin for the SEA Games. At tayo, yung national team naman natin, tuloy-tuloy ang training yan. Hindi naman humihinto. Miski na medyo mahirap ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Hanggang patapang gumagawa sila ng paraan para makontinue ang training. At tuloy-tuloy din ang ating competition. Meron tayong mga exposure abroad. Marami tayong naka-line up ng mga competition. Meron tayong Singapore, meron tayong Korea, meron tayong Taipei, meron tayong Hong Kong, at iba't iba pa. Meron din tayong Thailand, kasali din tayo sa Thailand. So makikita rin natin yung performance nila doon. At malaman na kung sino ang mga kalaban.
Yan ko lang. In fact, doon sa calendar ng Southeast Asia, isa tayo sa pinakamaagang may national championship, meaning we are more prepared than the other countries. So that's a positive side of it. Of course, kung sino yung nagkaroon ng unang national championship, mas ano yan mas malakas ang dating sa kalaban. So, prepared na pala sila. Of course, we're trying to prepare our athletes as early as January. So, anong natapos ng December, there's a transition period, then nag-umpisa na kami from the very start January. So, if you guys are asking, are we prepared? Prepared naman sila kasi they know how important tong national championship sa kanilang preparation for SEA Games. So, May, and then after May, we still have 7 more months to go. I think we are halfway there. We're in good condition. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung magiging competition namin sa labas. It's gonna be expect a good performance this coming December.
Thank you, sir. We have several foreign athletes, sir, na nag-break ng record while competing abroad, no? Especially si Victoria Boso. Meron na po ba siyang Philippine passport para i-represent tayo or nag-allegiance na siya sa US?
I think it's still in process. I hope we can have it before the competition lang.
Si Gerlani, nag-break din ng records. Yung but for ratification, na ano na ba siya? Na-update na?
Yasili Germani,
Germany.
5,000 kasi break siya na rin. Overseas.
Hintay pa.
For ratification pa.
Okay. So ngayon, sir, ilan na ba yung ating national athletes lahat, men and women?
So we have a complete roster na 50. So 50. And then out of 50, so kung makikita nyo lineup, very promising, very malaki ang future ng roster because maraming bata. Hindi naman bata meaning we have marami tayong newcomers, mga 21 and below, marami tayo. So the future looks bright para sa Patapa talaga. So nag-invest talaga ang Patapa this time. Yung mga bagong pasok, mga bata talaga lahat.
But you have 50 sa men, 50 sa...
50 all in all. All in all. I don't have the exact numbers, pero almost tumatabla na yung lalaki sa babae. So, nag-invest din ang Patapa sa mga girls para, of course, we have to even out eh. So, kailangan na parehas ang development ng babae and ng lalaki. So, total we have 50. The latest one, yung 50th namin, yung walk. So, specifically, nakaalat doon kung sino yung most deserving. Yun nga, nagkataon yung walk natin, nag-break ng Philippine record. Yun, nabigyan siya kagad ng slot.
Coach, ano yung mga events na babantayan namin sa National Open na nahahanapan nyo ng mga atleta?
Yun, kagaya ng tinatanong kung na-ratify na ba yung record ni Germani. Of course, si Germani. So, we expect a good performance from him again. Kasi last year, nung nakita niya, ang ganda na ng performance niya, pero and yet, wala pa siya doon talaga sa top 4. This time, expect a good performance from his 5,000 and 1,500. So, doon siya naka-entry eh. So, hopefully, people can see yung record-breaking performances niya sa dalawang event na yun. Si Germani. Of course, yung walk. So, for the first time, pwede natin itong malaki na wow. Kasi yung walk usually, imagine mo, 10,000 meters yun. That's 25 laps of walking. So, para di siyang pole vault before na people are just tinitingnan ng saglit yan. Pero ngayong walk, we have to really focus on the walk. Marami siyang rules involved, maraming technicalities involved. Kasi pag sinabing walk, siya lang kaisa-isang event sa competition na may walk, naglalakad. Yung, ano yan, very competitive yan. More technical in nature. Yung excitement sa mata ng tao is gonna be yung naglalakad. Pero since possible nga siya mag-SEA Games gold eh. So we're trying to i-attest ako ni Coach Dario. So paka-isa siya sa mga gold medalist natin sa SEA Games. Imagine yung bago pa lang siya introduce ulit ng Patapa to the community. That's why if you can see yung walk mismo, yung level of awareness sa walk tumaas na bigla eh because of that performance ni Deimo sa Japan.
Coach,